Hi, I'm Odette Ramos, Councilwoman for Baltimore City's fabulous 14th District. Today, we're here to talk about Baltimore Service Line Partnership Survey. This is an opportunity for residents to test the water service line leading to their home to determine whether or not it's made out of lead, corrugated steel, or some other material like copper. If it's made out of materials such as lead or corrugated steel, DPW will come out and replace the water service line leading into your home in the future to ensure that we have safe water being served into people's homes. We have until October 16th to report our findings to the EPA, and so we're encouraging residents as much as possible to test your line. Let's go see what you need to do to test your line. First, locate your service line so you can complete the 3-step service line test. Your service line can be located where it enters your home in your basement or utility area. Step 1. Using a key, coin, or other tool, lightly scratch your water service line as close to the wall as possible where it enters the home. Please note the color of the pipe when scratched. Step 2. Place a magnet on the pipe. Note whether it sticks or not. Your third and final step is to tap the pipe with a coin or metal tool and note the kind of sound it makes, such as a metallic or dull sound. Now that you've seen how to test your service line, please complete the survey with your results by using the link below or clicking on the link in my bio. If you have any questions or concerns, please dial 311 for assistance. Once again, the last day to report is October 16th, so make sure you're getting your results by completing the survey. Thank you.